But first up, the big announcement that could happen today when the Prime Minister's speech, when he addresses his first rally of the new year, anytime now. In fact, probably the last before the election dates are announced for the upcoming polls in the state. The Prime Minister is expected to make some very important announcements in his ongoing Parivartan rallies in Lucknow. This rally is being considered crucial as it is being held at a time when the internal fighting, the infighting in the state's first family is at its peak. Amid the ongoing family feud in the Samajwadi Party, the Prime Minister's rally is expected to be the icing as far as UP politics is concerned. All senior state leaders are putting in their best efforts to make this rally a huge success. In fact, what we hear is that the cabinet ministers and the MPs representing the state at the centre are taking full responsibility and are participating in the rally as well. Party chief Amit Shah had also addressed the gathering.
I'm only expecting him to tell the people come and enthuse them, and he's certainly going to assure them that a very transparent, corruption-free government is going to come in UP, a government which believes in development, a government which wants UP to go ahead.
माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के सपने का भारत और माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के सपने का उत्तर प्रदेश, जिसमें गरीब के जीवन में खुशहाली हो, जिसमें किसानों के लिए जैसे मध्य प्रदेश में, जैसे गुजरात में, जैसे राजस्थान छत्तीसगढ़ में अवसर हो, वैसे उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर अवसर हो। मैं चाहता हूं कि प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना के अंतर्गत जिन गरीबों के पास घर नहीं, वो घर हो, और वह सारी जो इस प्रकार की अनेक योजनाएं हैं उसको जमीनी स्तर पर उतारने का काम भाजपा की सरकार ही कर सकती है। सपा बसपा की जातिवादी, परिवारवादी, गुंडागर्दी वाली राजनीति का अंत होने जा रहा है, भ्रष्टाचार की राजनीति का अंत होने जा रहा है। अब सुशासन और विकास की राजनीति की शुरुआत होने जा रही है।
Right now I'm standing at Ramabai Ambedkar Stadium in Lucknow, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to address a mega rally at around 2 p.m. This rally is considered to be extremely important for the BJP's electoral prospect in Uttar Pradesh, as it comes right before the announcement made by Election Commission about dates of election in Uttar Pradesh. The BJP plans it to be a super mega rally, claiming that approximately 8 to 10 lakh people will attend this, and to make sure that it is a huge hit, they have deployed more than 15,000 buses apart from various thousand vehicles to ferry BJP supporters right here at Ramabai Ambedkar Maidan. Right now, you know, thousands and thousands of people have already gathered in, with several more pouring in inside this. This rally is considered to be crucial for one fact. The fact is that this is a one rally where the Prime Minister is expected to make several major announcements. Everybody will be keenly watching or looking at this announcement, as after this there will be no chance for the government once the moral code of conduct kicks in and the elections are announced. So the BJP feels that given the kind of political churning which is happening in Samajwadi Party, this rally of Prime Minister will help them to kickstart a huge campaign in Uttar Pradesh, and to make sure that BJP romps in home with a comfortable majority. At Ramabai Ambedkar Stadium, with camera person Pradeep Gupta, Brijesh Pandey for India Today.